Hello, welcome to this Amazon KDP updated video course tutorial. In this video course tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to publish profitable books on Amazon and earn from each of your book. Now, before we start everything, I want to inform you something very important. You see, Amazon KDP is an online business that you can publish books on their platform and you will get paid if you do the quality work. And how do you do the quality books that will sell? First of all, you have to learn it first. How do you learn it? In this video tutorial, guys, this is the update version of this course. So what I want from you is take your time, don't rush it. Take your time step by step to watch this completely. By watching this video tutorial completely, I assure you that in the next 15 days of publishing your books on Amazon, in fact, by following this updated version of this course, what I'm going to review to you here, you are going to start making sales. If you have not made any sales before, you are going to avoid your book to be blocked. You are going to avoid your account to be terminated. So it is very important. Start from video number 1 to the 20th of this video so that you don't have any issues, at all. The next thing I want to inform you against that, some of you want to publish books on Amazon that you earn from it, and you don't want to earn, and you don't want to take your time to learn. So if you are a kind of that person, you just got, maybe you watch video number 1 or video number 1 to number 5 and you just relax because you watch that little one. No, what you should do is watch this video from number 1 to the last video, because if you watch it and whenever you ask a question, I truly know that yes, this question is a question that needed, because I have not explained it to you. So any question you'll be asking, I will know it actually a reasonable question. That means you actually go through the course. Now, this is the updated version of this course. This is the second updated version. So take it very seriously and it work perfectly. I can assure you that this second version is 100% working. If you want to make real sales, especially um this month that we are now. So what I want from you is that pay attention, listen to the watch this video from number 1 to the 20th video of this course. And if you don't have any question, you can ask. If you have any question, you can ask me. Let me introduce myself to you. This is Coach Jibrin, your Amazon KDP coach. I have been publishing book on Amazon for over 4 years and a half now. So what you are going to learn is not what is not practice. It is something that I have practiced it. So what I want from you is to be very serious. Take your time to learn it first. If you don't learn, you can't get results. So you have to learn it. You understand? So now, this is the first video introduction to this course. This is the number 1, video number 1. In this video number 1 is introduction and roadmap, what you will learn plus mindset. Now, this introduction is that I want to introduce you to this updated version course. That if you are watching this video, if you are starting this course, have it in mind that you are 100% assured that if you watch this video course, this updated version completely, you are going to, and you practice it, you create books that follow this guide, not following your own mind. You create books that follow this guide. I assure you that you are going to make sales and you are going to avoid issues from Amazon. So take your time to learn it very well. Now, what are you going to learn from this updated version. The first thing here is creating those apps you need to use in order to publish your books. The second one is creating your Amazon KDP account. The third one is identity verification. How do you verify your identity? The third one is payment and back setup. How to get paid worldwide. How do you create your US account? So this is the fourth thing you are going to still learn. The fifth one is research. Can you see them? Let me circle them so that you see it. Look at it. This is the fifth one. Research, find profitable niche or keyword, tools plus method. The sixth one is plan. Outline your book. How do you structure it in a way that it will not look scattered? The seventh one is writing. How do you write? Do you going to use all this AI, or how do you avoid copyright issue with a content you generate? The eighth one is formatting for Kindle and print. How do you format your book? Because if you don't know how to format your book, readers are not going to take their time to buy that book, especially if you are publishing on Amazon. I have learned this, so I'm going to show you the exact way to format your book. Now, book cover design. How do you design a professional book cover that will sell? Not all book covers sell on Amazon, so I will also explain what you are going to use and how do you use it to create a professional book and eye-catching book cover that will sell on Amazon. Number 10 is step-by-step uploading. I will also show you how to upload your book to your Amazon KDP account. Number 11 is metadata and Amazon SEO keyword category description. So this one is, I will show you the exact way how to use all this your title, subtitle, and um, 7 back-end keyword to place them where in your book title, in your book subtitle, how to get a profitable book title and subtitle, how to you write how to place your book in the right category that people will find it, customer on Amazon will find it, and how do you write a book description that will sell. Now the number 12 is book launch. Now how do you, once you publish your book, what do you do so that it will start generating sales in the next 1 week? Yes. Or in the next 2 weeks? Yes. Or at least 30 days? How do you start generating sales from that book? And the number 13 is Amazon ads. Now this Amazon ads is whereby if you write a quality book and it has started selling, you want to boost the sales of that book, you will use this Amazon ads to boost it. I'll also explain how to use it. Number 14 is avoiding book block. Now, most of the time I've been hearing from some of my students, coach, my book is blocked. Why? What happened? What should I do? So I'll also explain to you how to avoid this book block. Now, number 15, how to avoid account suspension. Now, most of the time, some people will go ahead and publish book on Amazon and they got their account terminated. Why? Because they don't know the basic things, what they need to avoid so that the account will not be suspended or terminated. I'll also show you the rules to follow to avoid this. Now, creating number 16, that is video number 16 of this course, will show you how to create a US or other country payout account. Like if you are in Nigeria, what you are going to use to get paid from Amazon is a US account or a Europe account. So I will also explain to you how to create that account perfectly. Now number 17 is tax form and withholding rate from Amazon. You know, if you are in Nigeria and you want to publish on Amazon, there are ways that if you create your account and Amazon, and if you verify the account, Amazon is going to take 30% out of it. So in this course, I'll also explain to you how to create a Gemini account, how to create a US account, that 30% percent will be avoid. So the video number 18. This will also explain to you how to build an author brand and series strategies of this course. Now number 19, scale, outsourcing, thin and passive income from this Amazon KDP. How do you scale it after you have started getting sales from some of your book? How do you improve it so that you earn much from it? Now number 20, analyze. How do you gather data to increase your book sales and generate a long-term business from this KDP business? So this is the introduction of all what you are going to learn from video number 1 to video number 20. By the time you finish this complete video updated KDP video tutorial course, you are going to master the exact way to publish profitable books on Amazon that will generate sales for you. This is not a hyping song or a get rich quick scheme. No, I will show you the exact way that you are going to do it step by step. If you follow the rules, if you watch this video completely, you are going to get results in the next 15 or 7 days if you follow the exact way that I'm going to explain in this video. So welcome to this Amazon KDP video tutorial course by Coach Gibran, which is your Amazon KDP coach who will explain this thing to you step by step. Welcome once again. We are going to video number 2, how to create your Amazon and KDP account.